Ay, nako mga kanegosyo, isang magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat. Nako, today is nandito po tayo sa may ethical recycling, which is na-invite po tayo mga kanegosyo, ang inyong lingkod, para ma-vlog na rin, para ma-feature itong business na ito. So mga kanegosyo, ito is matagal na rin nag-ooperate ito, but ito nga, lumipat na rin sila sa mas malaking place, Kaya ngayon mga kanegosyo, ngayon yung blessing nung kanilang business ito. And then maya-maya mga kanegosyo, huwag kayong aalis, standby po kayo. Nako, malaman natin kung anong klaseng business ito. At yan, makakasama natin si Emma, and then at the same time yung kanyang Irish-Canadian na husband na si Eman. And then yun mga kanegosyo, yan, stay tuned kayo, huwag kayong aalis. Ano po? Ay, nako mga kanegosyo, eto na. Yung owner nitong ethical recycling, which is dito nga po ito sa may southeast area. And then, yan, kasama ko po dito. Yung husband and wife, sila po yung mga owner nitong business as well. Well, guys, can you introduce yourselves first?
My name is Eamon. I'm the owner of Ethical Recycling. I run it with my wife, Emma.
Hi, I'm Emma. I run the ARC Appliance Solution, which are high-end appliances. If you need some high-end appliances, you'll come to ARC Appliance Solution. It's 56th Avenue, Southeast. And your appliances is?
54th Avenue.
So, you have two different locations, right?
Yes.
That's correct.
Okay.
We have two showrooms to meet any budget.
So, Emma, ito yung bagong place?
Yeah, this is the biggest one, but we used to have at 54th Avenue.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
56th Avenue, and then we moved it here much bigger. Yes.
And how long na ba nag-run itong business?
Hold on.
Ethical Recycling been in operation since November 2018.
Oh, wow, right? And usually you sell what kind of products in here?
Major home appliances, washers, dryers, fridges, stoves. And what we do is we recondition them, make sure they're 100% functional.
Okay.
Then they go through our wash bay where they're detail cleaned. So we like to think they're next to new condition. We roll the odometer back, so to speak.
With a fair price, right?
Right. Always comes with a worst.
And you guys are, what do you call that? Giving the customers, the the warranty of the product.
Of course,
like that?
we provide a 30-day replacement warranty. So if anything happens to a machine that you purchase within 30 days that we can't repair on the spot, we'll bring another one.
Oh, sounds good.
Okay. After 30 days, we still want you to call us. You're still our client, and we always have the cheapest solution.
Okay, so Emma.
This is our processing area. We have this diagnostic area where all the ovens. Ito yung mga oven po namin.
Okay, so dito.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito yung mga parts ng oven na pinapalitan namin. So makikita mo talaga that we're changing.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. And these are all the dryers, the dryer diagnostic, where we'll put all the dryers.
Very organized,
Actually, kasi medyo hindi pa siya masyado kasi bukas lang namin. These are all the washer. So, makikita nyo na we changed some of the small belt there.
Okay.
Talagang...
Teka, silip lang ako doon. Silip naman tayo doon. So, ito yung mga stock nyo, bale?
Yes, ito yung mga galing sa mga supplier.
Okay.
Dumadating sila dito sa amin ay by bulk. Yes, ayan. Tapos ayan natin, chinecheck namin lahat, everything.
And nakita ko may sold na rito. Ano to?
Ayan, ito mga sold na kasi supposed to be nasa sila sa showroom. But because we're having some Thanksgiving kasi tayo ngayon na nag-blessing.
Blessing, yeah.
Kaya dilipat namin lahat ng sold. Ito yung mga sold for delivery next week.
Ang dami, mga kanegosyo, tingnan nyo naman, parang ano bang pinagkaiba nito sa mga brand new? Di ba? And pag dineliver din pala siya, ganito rin siya, no?
Oo,
That's nice.
nirarap namin siya, may bubble wrap din yan sila. Tapos ayun yung mga parts. Yung mga parts na pinapalitan namin. Some are, yung iba ino-order pa, minsan wala rito sa Canada, na yun yung matatagalan na maghanap.
Ng
mga
ayan.
parts. Ito yung wash bay area namin, dito namin sila wina-wash. Lahat yan for sold na yan, kuya.
Uy, grabe pala. And ang laki ng warehouse nyo dito, ha? Ito, ang laki ng warehouse nyo, ha?
Opo.
Teka, sandali, ilang employees na kayo dito, bale?
Nasa 20 po kami lahat.
What?
20.
Oh, grabe talaga. Congratulations naman talaga naman. Ayan.
Part-time kasi yung iba, yung mga regular namin is nasa 12 sila.
Okay.
Part-time lang.
Di ba part-time? Part-time na. Ayan.
Ayan, yung mga, dito yung nila wina-wash yan.
Oo nga, no. Talagang ano pala, no? Very organized yung kanilang dito mga kanegosyo. Ayan, so balik uli kami mga kanegosyo dun sa office. Ayan. Ayan guys, teka, sandali lang at si Amon, ang dami bisita sa loob mga kanegosyo. Kaya iniwan muna kami dalawa dito for the meantime. Well, yan, at least, di ba? Well, Emma, ano ba? Mo naman, imbitahan mo naman yung ating mga kababayan, mga Filipinos na try nila yung inyong product dito, mga produkto natin.
So, lahat po ng aking mga kababayan dito sa Calgary, actually meron mga kaming customer from Lethbridge, Edmonton, at marami yung mga kalapit natin dito sa Calgary, they coming to us, buying some our stuff, and we give them a good deal and a good services.
Well,
come and visit us!
Oo, malapit lang to mga kanegosyo. Ulitin nga natin yung address natin dito.
Actually, hindi ko kami start. But this is Ethical Recycling is 54 Avenue, 4317, 54 Avenue beside Nava. And the other one is 56 Avenue ARC Appliance Solution.
Ayan, ang mga kanegosyo, kung nangangailangan kayo, kung hindi naman kayo masyadong, di ba, hindi naman natin kailangan palaging brand new yung ating, di ba? Well, itry nyo yung mga kanilang washer, dryer, fridge, right?
Fridge, stoves.
So, yeah, check natin to mga kanegosyo and then support natin syempre si Emma. Yan,
Please support!
Yeah. And then natutuwa ako at na-meet ko din sa wakas si Emma. Ang tagal na nating papalitan ng ano ba, kailan ba tayo matutuloy? And at last talaga nagtiyempo itong inyong bagong location. Pero yung isang location nandun pa rin, continuous pa rin siya.
Continuous pa rin siya.
Oh, that's good. Teka.
Ito na pinakamalaki.
Teka, yung mga natin dito, Emma, yung ating mga employees dito, mostly,
all our technicians are all Filipino, Ilocano, Bisaya. And then our front desk are, two of them are Filipinos. Oh my God, the kids are crying now.
Hinahanap ka
and
na ba?
We have only one Chinese technician. Yes.
Oy, kaya wag kayong mag-aatubiling pasyalan ito. Mga Pilipino po yung naandito. Kaya And teka, anong citizenship ng iyong husband?
My husband is Irish Canadian.
Wow naman. Ayan mga kanegosyo. So please don't forget, support po natin Ethical Recycling. So, medyo baliktad lang yata yung aking camera. Pero, ayan, don't worry. And then, teka, ang sarap tong food kanina.
Salamat po.
Yung mga food, talagang mga Pilipino pa rin yung mga nandun. nabusog ang inyong
Oh, salamat naman kuya. Nabusog kayo.
Okay, so hanggang sa muli mga kanegosyo, hindi na natin pahabayan itong episode nito. Please support again yung ating isa sa mga kababayan dito sa Calgary, yung kanyang business. Ayun. Ay, last word muna dun sa ating mga
Maraming salamat mga kabayan. Visit us and we'll give you a good deal. That's what we're saying all the time.
Teka lang, yung telephone number na
Oh
kalimutan.
my goodness. Actually,
Sige ka ba? Meron ka ba dyan?
Oh,
Okay
I
lang.
have-
Live
I
tayo Ano tayo?
yes, live pala. We're live, right? I'm sorry kasi this is a new one, so
Oo.
hindi ko alam kung ano ang number na.
I know. Mga kanegosyo, ito is, nandito po ito sa may industrial area.
Yeah, ethical recycling is 825-540-7716.
Ulit? Isa pa nga ulit.
The number is 825-540-7716. Ethical recycling.
And yan, nagde-deliver sila nga pala, right?
Yeah, includes our price package, pre-delivery, installation, and removal of old ones. If you have also some unwanted appliances, you can drop it here. Drop zone is free.
Wow, talaga naman. Ayoko. Mga kanegosyo, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please support again itong ethical recycling And then maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panonood. And please, kung nagustuhan niyo po yung episode na to, paki-subscribe naman yung
Like
ating
and
channel.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe, of course. Ayan, and then shoutout ko muna Save Ducks. Isa po sa member ng ating UFEA, United Filipino Entrepreneur Association, Save Tax, si Jackie. Ayan.
Wow.
And salamat po ng marami. Salamat sa iyo. Ay nako, sa masarap na pagkain.
Salamat.
Ayan. Hanggang sa muli mga kanegosyo, ito po yung inyong lingkod, Negosyo Canada. Ay nako mga kanegosyo. God bless you all!